Once na na-qualify ka sa RU Affiliate, basically, isa lang ang gagawin mo just to promote your business link dahil nakaset up na ang account mo sa online sales funnel. Company na ang bahala from landing page, front-end offer, email marketing, product delivery, to commission system. Ang gagawin mo na lang ay i-promote ang iyong business link to a traffic like Facebook, YouTube, Google, Yahoo, Twitter, and Instagram. Maring ang tanong mo ay hindi ka marunong mag-promote ng iyong business link. Huwag kang mag-alala dahil mayroon tayong RU Steps to Success training video exclusive for RU members only. In that exclusive training video for RU members ay matututunan mo ang proven strategy on how you promote your business link effectively. And that is step by step na kahit mahina ka sa computer ay masusundan mo ito. Ang goal ng RU Affiliates Compensation Plan ay kikita ka ng unlimited 1,000 pesos, unlimited 400 pesos from your upline sales, unlimited 400 pesos from your downline sales, and unlimited 200 from your shared commission. That is every hour or daily. Papaano? This is a very simple commission plan and yet powerful that makes you earn million in a short period of time. So, to become an affiliate and earn unlimited income daily and use our free top secret system, you only need to avail the IHX Factor product for only 1,599 for now. Yes, that is for now. In the future, it may increase the price.